Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me. This is my best friend Desi. We are embarking on quite a special video today. I have toyed with the idea, and I think we've talked about it a little bit, thrifting a wedding dress. I think everybody on here too was like, are you gonna thrift your wedding dress? I am not against thrifting my wedding dress by any means, but I think it's a harder task than you just kind of think. Like, obviously there's so many wedding dresses that you could thrift, but it's your special day. Like, you don't want to just settle, and I think with thrifting your wedding dress you might tend to settle a little bit. Do you think?
But you can always tweak them, make them a little bit more
your style, right?
You can hem it, you can take a layer off, you can add a layer.
I just think it's gonna be a lot harder than I even could imagine. I do think that I will end up like buying a wedding dress. I don't think in the end I will be wearing a thrifted dress, but I mean,
you could always be pleasantly surprised.
You never know. Thought we'd bring Desi along because I think it's really important that you have some other eyes looking at wedding dresses, like as you would as you go to try on a wedding dress. Why wouldn't you want company to kind of give you another opinion? I really don't know how this is gonna go. We're going into this very open-mindedly, and we're bringing you guys with us. We don't really have a plan as to how this is gonna pan out. Let's embark on this journey together. Okay, so what kind of dress do you envision me in?
White, obviously.
White, but obviously.
Like, long, flowy, like kind of like your boho-y vibe. But I don't know, still really rad and like unique.
Is it lace? Is it beaded? Is it?
Probably more lace.
Lace? Okay, so
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's what you're looking for?
Definitely not beads. I don't see beads being a thing. And what are you looking for?
Something unique, something that, like, whether it be like strings or just lines, or maybe it has like a double layer, something that is unique that doesn't make it the same as something else. Even if that's like mesh where the skin shows through, like something unique, the same as you, but there has to be something special, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm gonna send Desi over to look herself and see what she can find, and then I'm gonna go and find one as well, and we're gonna hopefully find the best two in the store. That way we don't have to try on every single one.
Here we are. Like how white this one is. Not that aged yellow color. Detail on this one's really nice. This is the one we're gonna get.
Did you pick? Did you pick? Did you pick? You got yours. Okay. Desi says they're really heavy. So, okay. So this is kind of neat, but I kind of enjoy this color. Honestly, it's not as stark white, which I really like.
Like how white this one is. Not that aged yellow color.
I mean, it's too glitzy for me. Like, this is too much glitz. You could obviously tone it down, but I like how the detailing is not as stark. Like, it kind of really fades throughout this dress. Oh, okay. I adore this neckline. The shoulders are a bit poofy, but that could be something that could be like thrift flipped. You're right, they're heavy.
Overdone?
Too much bling for me? Maybe you got the best one. This beautiful detailing down here we really like. It's very simple, simplistic. I think it's a bit safe, to be honest, but we like kind of the material and the look. Let's take her on down. We have our picks. We're gonna head to the change room and give them a go. Do you have faith in these?
I don't know.
So Desi has put mine in there. Let's go see what it is. I have questions.
We're ready when you are.
This is Desi's pick. Here it is. It does not fit.
I didn't look at the size.
I didn't look at the size either, so mine could also not fit.
Okay.
Tell me the thought process behind this, Desi.
I don't know.
No thought process.
There was, but I can't quite recall. I think I like the neckline.
Yeah, it's like Bardo. It's something that it's very.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all I like. The flowy is nice. Like,
it's very ballroomy.
But I don't like the material. It's too meshy, like underneath. It's too like
scratchy. But
I like how flowy it is. So I think definitely in the dress that I want, I don't want it to be fitted. I definitely want there to be some flow. I actually really like this as well. If you look at the hand detailing, it's like little daisies. I really like that, and how it's like pointed, but
It doesn't quite fit.
that's about it. So let's hope I did a little bit better. I think it comes with a shower cap.
The shower cap shoulders.
Oh yeah, I totally thought that they were like loofahs or something. Okay, so here is my pick. Now, you all might have questions for me, but that's fine. What do you think? Let's ask Desi.
Is the neck part connected to the dress?
Yeah, so this is part of the dress.
Oh, I thought it was like maybe an accessory that was added to it.
No, no, no.
Oh, okay, I see, at the back. Oh my gosh. Something for the dogs to carry.
I thought you were gonna say something for the dogs to sleep on. I was like, yep, they can do that.
I
It's
like
speechless. It's so great.
I like the lace. Is it lace?
Yeah.
Like a lace?
So it has, so it's
Yeah.
like a rose lace with some blingy blingy on it.
I like the lace minus the bling on every single flower. Oh, I didn't even realize it was like
It's
a mesh.
yeah, it's a mesh, so
Almost.
that I love that it almost looks as though it's just skin. I really like that, and I think that's something I'm looking for in the dress. I also really like that it's like flowy lacy.
Yeah.
When it comes to train, do you think I should have a train or no?
I think trains are kind of just a piece of material that are just gonna get dirty.
Yeah, right.
And you can't like dance or move in it really.
You're constantly like trying to like make sure
Pick it
that
up.
So maybe no train. Is there one more that maybe we should do? You said that you had two.
The other one was like that one that you like. It was like the
the other
sleeve.
neckline?
Yeah, I think when it was like the long sleeve.
Should we try that one?
Maybe.
Yeah. That was Desi's second pick. That was my second pick. Let's try it. I definitely wouldn't be wearing this one because this is so hot. So hot. And you know what? I think I want sleeves. So that next one has sleeves, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Sound of the material.
It's a loud dress. Sounds like splash pants. I hate the shoulders. Who likes the shoulders?
Our moms in the 70s.
Your mom's gonna watch this and be like, hey now. I like the kind of like almost where you'd have the eyelets. It's like flowers. I really actually love that about it. It's not just like a straight line or has like the eyelashes. It's flowers. I like that. I could dance. That's how I'm gonna dance at my wedding. But that being said, like look how pretty this is. I really love the way that this looks on my skin. What if we went and tried to just look at like regular dresses? Maybe they have some like white dresses that we could pass off as wedding dresses, because everything else I feel like
a lot of people do that.
yeah, right?
Okay.
Just found one that we've had. Did you see it? I didn't see
I
it.
don't remember seeing it.
Oh wait, show the back. That's really nice. I don't even remember seeing that one. But I think probably not wedding dress enough. Too simple?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
I love how light this dress is. That is the number one thing that I really like about it. But it also has this that we like, so.
Fourth time's the charm?
Fourth one's the best. Not the charm. This feels great. It just is so light. I honestly need to have a light wedding dress. So I've learned something today. If I didn't get a dress, I have learned something.
It looks really flowy.
Probably be really nice for like photos. I like how there's this like extra bit of like sleeve.
Mm-hmm.
I really like that. I really also like the hand as well. Like I love fine detailing like stuff like this. This is like one of those intricate details that I like really would like something to be interesting about my dress.
And like that kind of sleeve isn't necessarily, I don't think that was maybe very common, like the drop part of it.
I think, isn't it so cool? So I just have to look in the mirror. How pretty. Isn't that so cool? As much as I like this, I don't know that I would want to wear one that is so like
high.
Do you think?
Yeah, I feel like that would be like, I'd constantly be like pulling at my neck.
What if this were a shirt? That would be so sick. That would be amazing. Like a shirt with like high-waisted jeans or something like that would be really cool. I really like how it is bunched kind of right here and right here. I really like how the fabric falls. I think that's kind of maybe something I'm gonna look for in a dress. And it's a bit too long too. I think a little bit shorter. Like this is too long. I don't want to be constantly just like stepping on it. And that is a wrap. We didn't find anything, but it was fun. I had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe we can make this like a little series. We could do this again. Would you guys like that? Bye guys.